with a couple of weeks, without URC Rugby. We contacted the Crusaders and fancied to see if they fancied a run out against us, and it was, for ourselves, it was a fantastic exercise. I think that in terms of bringing two teams together, from we know how big the Crusaders are in terms of the history of especially the last sort of 30 years. I think they've been the trendsetters and the standard setters, and I think that great for us to come here today to try and have a session against them, train against them, and I think it was a great exercise for both teams really. I know they've got a Northern Hemisphere tour. They played Munster last week and Bristol this week, so in the middle of that week it was great to have that interaction, and I think like with the players and also the coaches as well, to be able to share some ideas and share some insight. It was a good train session, very competitive, and I think that there's goods we can take from it definitely, and moving forward to obviously the friendly in Exeter this week and then back into the league next week.
Training against us, we were just saying on the sideline there, like how good, it was awesome. The way you guys moved the ball around the field sets us up so well for what we're expecting against Bristol Friday night. So thanks very much. All the best for the rest of your season. All right.